Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this was another question submitted by @JaredHollier on Twitter, so I'm going to answer it for him. Hope this helps out. Okay, so the problem says the two horizontal lines, horizontal means side to side, that'd be this one and this one, are parallel, which means they have the exact same slope. Right there and right there indicates that they're parallel. And there's a third line that intersects them as shown below. That'd be this little guy. If we all know that the blue angle is 135 degrees, which they've labeled, if they didn't, I would. And what is the measure of the orange angle? Okay, that's not too bad. What you have here, you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay, well, let's find out these angles. I'll tell you a hint right now. Every single angle, this one, 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 there's only two options. They are going to either be 135 or they're going to be the supplement of 135, which means 180 minus 135, which is 45. So your only two answers, like it's a 50-50 chance now. It's either 145 or 45. That's your only two options for these angles. And honestly, if you've got a discrepancy like this, where one of them's an obviously obtuse angle and one of them's an obviously acute angle, you could pretty much say every obtuse angle is going to be 135. And every acute angle is going to be 45. Okay? That's just the cheating way to do it. Don't tell anybody I told you that. Do not tell a soul. Okay? So, the real way to do that, you know this one's 135, correct? Well, I'm going to mark them all with blue, since it was blue originally. Okay? If that's 135, we know the angle opposite is 135 because why? That's correct. They're vertical angles. Now, what you can do is essentially pick up that these right here are something called alternate interior angles. Alternate means they're on different sides of the transversal, and interior means they're on the inside of their parallel lines. Well, if you remember your facts, then you would know that an alternate interior angle are the exact same, and that's blue. And since this is the vertical angle, it's also blue. Another way to find this out would have been to say, oh, I can pick this up, pick this whole side up, put it where this one is. That 135 is right here because it's in the upper left. That's in the upper left. Well, we know vertical angle is 135. We know that's 135. Okay? So many ways you can know that that's 135. All right? Now, we know all those are 135. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we want to say, well, which ones are the 45? Well, the reason I said they're supplementary is for a reason. Because whenever you have a line, and this is 135, this makes a straight line. Therefore, you can just take 180 and subtract the 135 that you have, and you would have what's left of this line right here, which is 45. Guess what? This is 45. This angle is 45. This angle is 45, and this angle is 45. Do you notice you have 4 of them that are 45, and then you have 4 of them that are 135? That's for a reason, fool. They've got 8 angles, okay? And it's split up, just like this, vertical angles. Corresponding, it all works out. There's so many ways to get it right, it's difficult to get it wrong. Hope you have a wonderful day. Tweet me any pictures you need help with, and I will help you with math. Bye-bye.
Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.
Right in the water, just like that. Check out the Facebook page if you want to. Hit me up on Twitter if you have any questions, and check out my other YouTube channel. I'd real appreciate it. And subscribe to this YouTube channel too. That'd be nice. I don't know where to go. Is it right there? Is it there? I don't know. I've got links in the bottom. I've got arrows on the page. Bye-bye.